Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering Google's new conversational search feature powered by Gemini 3, the European Union's move to force Google to open up its AI models to competitors, and reports that Apple may be preparing a major Siri upgrade using Google's Gemini technology. Let's jump right into Google Search, which just got a pretty significant update. As of early this morning, Google has enabled follow-up questions inside AI overviews. So, instead of typing a query, getting a response, and then having to start fresh with a new search, you can now continue a multi-turn conversation without ever leaving the results page. Think of it like having a back-and-forth chat with the search engine itself. The feature is powered by Gemini 3, which is now the default model behind AI overviews globally. Right now, this conversational capability is live on mobile devices, with a desktop rollout still to come. Google has been putting a lot of emphasis on factual consistency here, which makes sense given some of the earlier stumbles AI overviews had when the feature first launched. The company seems focused on making sure these conversational responses are accurate and reliable before expanding further. Nilay Patel, editor-in-chief at The Verge, summed it up nicely when he said, quote, "This is Google, quietly redefining what search even means," end quote. And honestly, that captures the shift pretty well. We are moving from a world where search meant getting a list of links to one where you can have an actual dialogue to find what you need. Now, here is where things get interesting from a regulatory perspective. The European Commission has initiated proceedings under the Digital Markets Act that could force Google to open up Gemini to its competitors. This action started yesterday morning, and while it is not a formal investigation yet, the EU is targeting Google's entire AI stack. The goal is to require fair access to Gemini models and even the search data that helps train these systems. Teresa Ribera, who serves as the EU competition vice president, emphasized the importance of, quote, "a level playing field in AI markets," and, quote, "remedies from this proceeding are expected within 6 months if things move forward." Google has already pushed back, warning about potential privacy and security risks if they are forced to share access to their models and data with third parties. This is a debate that is going to play out over the coming months, and could have real implications for how major AI models are developed and distributed, at least in European markets. Meanwhile, Apple may be getting ready to make some news of its own. According to a report that surfaced yesterday afternoon, the company is planning to announce a major Siri upgrade that would be powered by Google's Gemini. The reveal could come as early as next month, though any actual rollout would happen later in 2026. This is Apple essentially acknowledging that Siri has fallen behind competitors like ChatGPT and other advanced assistants. Rather than trying to catch up entirely on their own, they appear to be deepening their relationship with Google's AI capabilities. For context, Apple and Google already have a significant partnership around search, so extending that into AI assistants feels like a natural evolution. Neither Apple nor Google has officially confirmed these plans, so we should treat this as a strong rumor for now. But if it does happen, it would represent a meaningful shift in how Apple approaches AI features on its devices. The company has traditionally been very protective of building its own technology in-house, so leaning on an external model for something as central as Siri would be notable. Taking a step back, what we are seeing across all three of these stories is Gemini becoming increasingly central to how people interact with technology. Google is weaving it deeper into search. Regulators are recognizing its importance enough to demand access for competitors. And even Apple reportedly sees it as the path forward for improving Siri. The model has clearly reached a level of capability and reliability that makes it attractive across very different use cases and contexts. For users, the practical upside here is that AI-powered features are getting more capable and more integrated into the tools we already use every day. Whether you are searching on Google, asking Siri a question, or using any number of other services, the underlying AI is becoming smarter and more conversational. That means less friction when trying to find information or get things done. The regulatory questions around access and competition will take time to sort out, But in the meantime, these capabilities are rolling out and available to try right now. Thank you for listening to AI ConvoCast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.